3 things you didn't know about the Florida alligator. During the span of an alligator's life, they'll never stop growing. The largest recorded alligator was 17 foot 2 inches and was estimated to have been 25 to 30 years of age. The temperature at which the eggs develop will determine the sex of the alligator. Males will be produced in warmer temperatures, whereas females will be produced in cooler temperatures. Alligators get the majority of their energy from the sunlight while sunbathing. This allows them to survive up to 2 to 3 years without feeding. Like and follow us for more content like this.